Google just dropped Nano Banana Pro, which is 10 times more powerful than the original Nano Banana version. And honestly, this thing has completely removed the line between what's real and what's AI generated. I've been testing this for the past week and I honestly cannot tell what's real anymore. I'm taking single product photos and generating entire photo shoots with different angles, lighting, and outfits, creating images that look like they came straight from a professional photographer, and I'm even swiping my competitors' ads to recreate my own in seconds. And these aren't just cool AI pictures. I'm talking about real practical use cases here that will change content forever. So let's get into it. So first things first, you can access Nano Banana Pro through platforms like Higgsfield, Artlist, or Google AI Studio. For this example, I'm just using Higgsfield as it's simple, affordable, and the output is in 4K. Link in the description if you want to try it out, but let's get into the first use case. So this first use case is absolutely crazy if you're doing any sort of content with people in them. You can take a photo and recreate it with different scenes, angles, compositions, and more. Now the old Nano Banana version could do this, but the output wasn't really amazing. I'll show you what I mean right here. So here's the prompt testing both models. The prompt was create a grid of a 4 editorial fashion image focused on Mint in New York that follows the same style, color palette as image 1. Make each of the new shots unique. So I mean, look at this. The person's face is totally off. The aesthetics are totally inconsistent here, and the proportions are off as well. So this is basically useless. And now here's Nano Banana Pro with the exact same prompts, but the output here is literally crazy. I mean, just take a look at this. You can see how vivid and detailed this is and how consistent it is with the reference image as well. The same model in different action shots, close-up images, and more, but again, the attention to detail here is absolutely insane. You can even try the same thing with product photos using this prompt. Here's another one. Recreate the person in the same outfit and pose, but in a different angle. So you can see right here, we have the same person up close with the same outfit, but in totally new angles, which is really, really cool to see. You can literally generate 50 plus variations of a product shot or a model now. It's insane how good this is. Okay, pretty similar, but for use case number 2, we're focusing more on product photos specifically. I uploaded one product photo of this liquid IV hydration mix, and the prompt I'm using is using this image to generate these different kinds of shots in the same brand style. Maintain consistent product shape, color palette, reflections, and overall visual identity. Hero shot, done. Flat lay, done. Splash shot, done. All from a single image. But here's where it gets crazy. You can drop this into completely different environments as well. Just use this prompt. Place this product in a luxury spa, outdoor adventure setting, and fully shift the brand vibe to match it. Lighting, mood, colors, props, and textures should all reflect the new setting. Keep the product shape accurate and photorealistic. And there you go. You have the same product with the same size, branding, but totally different vibes and settings. The spa and the kitchen here just looks so premium. I'm just blown away by how good this is. So you can now test what your product looks like in different settings without spending thousands on photo shoots up front, all in 30 seconds. Okay, this next one might be a little controversial, but it's totally legal. As a marketer, I'm used to swiping my competitor ads and using them as inspiration, but with Nano Banana Pro, you can literally swipe them with a single click now. It's crazy. I found this really cool image from Nike, but as a New Balance fan, I really wanted to recreate it for them, so I uploaded a pair of sneakers and I typed in the prompt, recreate this ad concept with my product, same mood, lighting, and composition, remove their branding, replace the product with the one from my uploaded image. And I mean, look at this. You have the same concept, you have the same composition, overall vibe, you even have the text here on the right, which just looks amazing, but it's just for New Balance now instead, which is absolutely amazing and super, super cool. I used the same prompt on this soda can that I found on Pinterest, but wanted to replace it with a breast can. And not only did it do an amazing job replacing it, but it also even changed out the backgrounds to match the breast can's ingredients, which is absolutely amazing. And I mean, this is crazy because you can literally just find winning concepts online now and with a couple of clicks recreate them for your brand and product. Okay, this one is super practical because we've all been there where we have a piece of content that we really love, but it doesn't really fit the different formats needed for all the different platforms. So this fixes that. So you can see that we have a tight horizontal website banner that I found, which I wanted to recreate for a 9:16 mobile format. So I uploaded the image directly and I typed recreate this scene into a 9:16 vertical composition. Keep the product's lighting, color palette, and overall mood consistent with the original image. Change the environment to one that naturally fits the product's aesthetics. It instantly created this amazing 9:16 image for mobile size with proper text placement, and it even added these gym props, which was really cool as well. The lighting and the aesthetics is obviously on point here, and now I can use this anywhere across any story ad formats that I want. So let's go the other way. We have this vertical shot that we now want to take to horizontal for a thumbnail, and boom, there you go. It went from vertical to wide banner. The AI even identified the sand on her arm and generated the entire beach on herself. I mean, that's just so cool. The lighting is incredible. It looks like it was taken with the camera originally. I'm just blown away. This is just so good. So once again, you can shoot once and have your content reformatted for every platform needed. Now this next one is probably the most valuable one if you're running any sort of marketing campaigns. Okay, this next one is huge because we can now create UGC images that look 100% real. You literally cannot tell that this is AI. Check this out. Create a hyper-realistic UGC image of a female holding the product in a casual real-life environment, natural lighting, 9:16 TikTok framing, keep product exactly consistent. So I mean, look at this. The person is obviously not real, but the product looks exactly the same. It's crazy. This looks exactly like someone just pulling out their phone for a TikTok video. You would never know this is AI generated. And you can do the same for a mirror selfie as well. Create a hyper-realistic mirror selfie of a person holding the product in one hand, bathroom lighting, phone reflection. And I mean, look at this. This image is as close to perfect as it can be. This image looks so good. It looks like a real person holding a product in their hand. I'm just like blown away by this. Okay, look at these two photos. Can you tell which one of them was generated by AI? The fact is, they're both generated by AI. Yes, you can even generate random images of people in coffee shops. That's how good this is. So simple and easy to use. And you can even create POV shots of people holding your products. Just use this prompt. Create a POV style UGC shot of a female using the product. Keep the product consistent with the original image. And again, this image looks absolutely real. You can see the hand positioning, the shadows, the motion blur, everything looks perfect. And you would never in a million years guess that this is AI. Now you can use this across your ads, your landing pages, and content in general. We all know how much UGC content converts, and this is a great way to scale the amount that you can produce. If you're in fashion or e-commerce, or you simply just like to try on different outfits, you're gonna love this next one. Instead of scheduling a full photo shoot each time you want to drop a new collection, Nano Banana Pro lets you upload product images to your model, and it automatically creates a realistic try-on shot in seconds. You can preview fits, angles, styles, and even colorways without ever booking a studio. So here's the model in his original outfit, and here are a couple of images of clothes I want him to try on, and take a look at this. Replace the clothing in this model photo with the clothing item from the reference images, keep the model's face, pose, body proportions, and make the clothing fit naturally. And the output is crazy. We got our boy decked out in some new swag from Represent, but it literally looks like the model is actually trying on all these clothes. You have the same lighting, you have the same effects, but new outfits. Here are some more generations of a different model with different outfits as well. So now you can test new styles and designs without even the need to manufacture them. You can just see what looks best, get feedback, and then produce. Now this last use case is for anyone that is planning a campaign or pitching a client. Okay, and now for the final use case, you can literally create entire mood boards now in a couple of minutes. This is perfect for pitching clients or planning your next campaign. Just upload your product and a couple of reference photos if you want, and use this prompt. Create a 3x3 mood board grid, product close-up, lifestyle frames, texture macros, color palette, ultra realistic 4K. And you get 9 insanely aesthetic images right here. They're all matching the product's vibe. This is a complete mood board ready to show a client or use in a catalog. But you can do different styles as well. Here's something I did with these trail running shoes from Nike. Create an editorial mood board with visuals focused on trail running that follows the same style and lighting. You can see that this one gave a totally different vibe, more natural and more realistic. And lastly, I wanted to do a mood board of this Cartier watch. So I uploaded the photo and this prompt with Nano Banana Pro, and it gave me this 3x3 grid with hyper realistic details. I mean, just look at the close-ups here, the scene, the overall mood is just so good. Feels like I'm in a James Bond movie. So those are the most powerful ways of using Nano Banana Pro to generate content. And honestly, this tool generally changes the game for marketers, creators, and honestly anyone. The line between what's AI generated and real is pretty much gone. Now, if you want the prompt library that I use in this video, the link is in the description below. And if you want help building AI systems for your business, book a free call by clicking the link below. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.